Dancing on Ice has confirmed Phillip Schofield will be absent for Sunday's live show after testing positive for coronavirus earlier in the week. The presenter has also missed several broadcasts of ITV daytime show this morning due to his illness. However, Dancing on Ice has confirmed Holly Willoughby won't be presenting the celebrity skating competition on her own this weekend, as Phillip has been replaced by Stephen Mulhern. A Dancing on Ice spokesperson revealed, this Sunday's episode of Dancing on Ice will be hosted by Holly Willoughby and Stephen Mulhern while Phillip Schofield continues to self-isolate. As Stephen steps into the hosting role on the show, it'll be a presenting reunion for him and Holly. Sunday's episode of Dancing on Ice will be the first time in around 16 years the pair have presented alongside each other. Stephen and Holly were famously co-hosts in their days on children's television. Graham Norton viewers left confused after Courtney Cox's appearance together. They presented Holly and Stephen's Saturday Showdown, previously known as Ministry of Mayhem, between 2004 and 2006. In a statement, Stephen shared his excitement to reunite with Holly as he covers for Phillip on Dancing on Ice. He said, "I'm very much looking forward to being back hosting alongside my good friend Holly this weekend. It's big shoes to fill and I'm wishing Phillip a speedy recovery. I'm a big fan of Dancing on Ice, and for one night only I'm thrilled to be ringside watching the action unfold. It's going to be unbelievable," Stephen enthused. The ITV presenter is no stranger to Dancing on Ice, as he previously fronted its spin-off show Dancing on Ice, Defrosted. Upon hearing the news that Stephen would be presenting Dancing on Ice this weekend, many viewers took to Twitter to share their excitement. The Masked Singer, Robot Bunny identity unveiled as American Idol star? Exclusive Coronation Street heartbreak with Kelly in devastating cancer plot? Spoilers this morning. Viewers slam irresponsible vaccine debate, must see, yeah ye. Maybe Stephen can do a little cheeky cameo on the ice as an entrance, @blue_lore11 commented. @Chris_Grigg 1987 wrote, "Wishing Schof a speedy recovery, and wish Stephen Mulhern all the best for hosting tomorrow with Holly Wills, which shall be a great show. So well deserved. Go get Stephen." @Robbo_Ann added. @Smock1985 said, "We'll miss Schof, but Stephen Mulhern will do a brilliant job filling in. Can't wait XOXO." Meanwhile, some suggested Stephen should be a permanent addition to the skating show. Yay. Love Stephen. Can he be a permanent host? Please. @MJ_JJ061215 asked. They should make it permanent. Love him, @Carol Statham said. Sick, Dancing on Ice airs Sundays at 6 p.m. on ITV and ITV Hub.